It's Wednesday, February 4th, 2015. Good morning. I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com. We have more snow later today and tonight. We'll take a look at the latest details. We'll see a break from the snow, but it'll also be cold. How cold is it going to get? And do we have a weekend mess in store? Get all the details and much more starting right now. Last night's snow has moved out, in its place cloudy skies across the area, and that's going to remain the case for much of the day. Temperatures are right around 30 degrees, and they're pretty much going to stay put, varying within a couple of degrees. That's about it. We do have more snow off to the west here, and that's going to move through late this afternoon and this evening. We're watching for a rather potent area of snow out here in Nebraska, Iowa, parts of northern Missouri, moving into Illinois, and eventually Indiana. We're also looking at a little bit lighter snow coming across Lake Michigan into northern lower Michigan. These two are going to combine forces right about there and move through our area pretty much starting at the end of rush hour through the evening hours. It's probably going to be about a 6 to 8 hour period of snow. Should taper off a little after midnight, and we'll take a look at how much snow we're expecting in just a moment. Otherwise, the snow from last night is off to the east. Plenty of rain along the Gulf Coast from Texas to Florida, and temperatures there in the 40s and lower 50s. Temperatures across northeastern Ohio this morning are generally in the lower 30s, 32 Cleveland and Akron and Canton, 30 at Ashtabula and Youngstown, 31 both Mansfield and Worcester, 33 in Dover, and our warm spot 35 in Sandusky. Our almanac for today, our high yesterday 24, the low 4, still well below the averages of 36 and 22. Our record high today 65. No snow recorded at the time we made the almanac last night. However, snow overnight. I did see a couple reports come in of 2 and 3 inches in a few spots. Overall, though, I think most areas got between 1 and 2 inches. I only woke up to about an inch myself. We're at 8.1 inches for the month. We did add to that last night, though. Sunrise is at 7:36 a.m. and sunset is at 5:47 p.m. All right, on our future cast, we're going to take a look at the snow coming in this evening and through part of the overnight hours. Here it is right here. This is along a cold front, by the way. Some of the snow could be moderate and maybe even briefly heavy at times. And then once it moves out after about 1, 2 a.m., we're going to see some flurries behind it. And what we're looking at right now is right around 7 a.m., just a few flurries possible. Otherwise, the morning commute fortunately won't have too much snow, but some of those side streets, if they're not plowed yet, will be slippery with that snow coming down. Now, how much snow are we looking at? Generally across the area is from anywhere between 2 to as much as 4 inches of snow. The higher amounts are going to be confined to where we see some of that heavier snow fall in bands within the line. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. The line moving through is almost like a squall line of thunderstorms in the summertime. In this case, though, it's just snow. So where the heavier bands develop, that's going to be some heavier snow. Behind it's a lot of cold air, and we'll see that in the forecast coming up here in just a second. But 2 to 4 inches for Wednesday night through Thursday morning is what we're expecting. Our forecast for today, cloudy skies much of the day with snow developing towards 5 and 6 o'clock. Our high 33. Temperatures, as you see, don't really go very far from where they're at right now with all this cloud cover in place. Akron and Canton, much the same here, a high of 33 as well, with snow developing towards the rush hour home, 5, 6 o'clock, when then we're going to see snow overnight tonight. Best chance for snow is generally before midnight, before it does start tapering off. We'll have some flurries around for your commute home. Very cold, though. Morning lows, only 6 above. That'll put wind chills anywhere from -5 to -10. Winds will be fairly strong out of the northwest at 10 to 20 miles an hour. And again, we're looking at 2 to as much as 4 inches of snow accumulation. On our 7-day forecast, any snow Thursday morning will clear out and give way to mainly sunny skies. Much colder, though, a high of only 10. High pressures overhead Thursday night. That's going to allow for clear skies. Temperatures will drop below 0, and Friday morning wind chills look like they're going to vary between -10 and -20. So it's going to be very cold at the bus stop Friday morning. We'll see plenty of sun for Friday with high pressure still overhead, a high of only 22. Temperatures will rise overnight Friday night and into Saturday. Late Saturday afternoon and evening, we're going to see a rain or snow or some sort of mix setup. with the approach of our next system. We'll be in the mid-30s Saturday. Temperatures will once again rise overnight Saturday night. We'll hit the mid-30s again on Sunday. This will occur before lunchtime. Any rain or mix will change to all snow. With the passage of another strong cold front, temperatures will plummet through the afternoon. As you can see, Sunday night's low 8. Stay tuned for the latest on this. Details are still coming in. The forecast still not quite certain yet. We could see several inches of snow, but that isn't set in stone just yet. Next week, we're going to start off very cold with partly cloudy skies and a high of only 14. We clear out Monday night with temperatures near 0, mostly sunny for your Tuesday, highs in the upper teens.